Okay, so today we have Jake again. Same place in Hemel back in London doing his 180s just from a different angle. What I would like to look at is the setup carves. So if you look up where he's trying to jump in from, he is all the way over here. Like he's actually outside of the jump, right? Or his line. So it's more of like a setup turn rather than a setup carve. So what I've done to explain this is, if I bring this to 3 seconds, if I then switch to this, this is the line that the ideal line that his snowboard should be taking. So starting off a little bit higher here, sending the board pretty much flat base or ever so gently on our toe edge in a straight line, aiming towards like the middle or the left middle of the jump. And then as we're going down, once we get here, we're going to rock onto our toes, which is going to cause the board to slightly turn to the right. So that's just using our ankle. It's not so much a turn, it's more of just engaging that toe edge. So using those ankles and lower body parts just to get the board on a gentle edge. We don't want to be like high crank carving here. It's just a very gentle, subtle edge. And then as you reach the bottom of the jump, or the bottom of the feature, should we say, that's when about here you're going to rock onto your heels. Again, a small edge angle, nothing like you don't want it too cranked. So this is the line that your board's going to take. Okay. So we're only trying to do a front side 180. So this is line for a front side 180. Back side would be the opposite of that. But yeah, so front side 180. We don't want to do massive turns because it just throws us off. So by doing this line here, it's going to give us a simpler way of doing things. So we've got less things to think about. If we have less things to think about, we can focus more on our edge control, our edge angle. So focus on like subtle changes, just we've got no big moving parts. We're just sending the ball almost dead straight, right? And then when we make really big setup turns, we then have to fight that rotation. So if you're coming in at a massive angle and whatever, that's you're then fighting against because you're trying to turn the ball 180. So yeah, we talked a little bit about setup carves in the last video. This is what it should look like. And that'll also make your board be a bit straighter. So you know you have a little habit of, oh, can't do that because it's not the video. You see the board's, like your board's going off to the right there, but you're turning it. So whereas if we're aiming straight here, that should give us a better line, keep the board straighter. So something definitely to try. Yeah, so have a look at, see if you can follow that sort of line on your next jump and let me know how you get on.